Today we will do a session outside and we will learn how to subtract 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Let's see some examples. 22 minus 60. Make sure that the ones column is aligned and the tens column is also aligned. So let's solve this question. 2 minus 6. We cannot subtract 6 from 2 because 6 is bigger than 2. So to solve this, we would cross out the 2 and make it into a 1. And then we borrow a tens and add it here and make it 12. So now we would solve 12 minus 6. And now we can solve 12 minus 6. So 12 minus 6 equals 6. So we write a 6 here. Then now we can't do 2 minus 1 because we crossed it out and borrowed a digit from here and then we put it here. So we wouldn't do 2 minus 1. We would do 1 minus 1. And 1 minus 1 equals 0. So 22 minus 16 equals 6. Now let's see another example. 73 minus 46. Here's another one, just like this question. We cannot subtract 3 from 6 because 6 is bigger than 3. So we would again cross out the 7 and make it into a 6. Then we would add a 1 here, which makes this 30. And then we do 13 minus 6, which equals 7. So we write a 7 here. Then we do 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 equals 2. So we write a 2 here. So 73 minus 46 equals 27. Now let's see a 3-digit example. 469 minus 396. So we can do 9 minus 6 this time. So 9 minus 6 equals 3. So we write a 3 here. Now we do 6 minus 9. But we cannot do 6 minus 9 because 9 is bigger than 6. So we borrow a digit from the 4 and make that into a 3 and then add a 1 here, which makes it 16. So 16 minus 9 equals 7. And then now let's lastly do 3 minus 3, which equals 0. So we write a 0 here. So 469 minus 396 equals 73. Now I'm gonna ask you some questions. So what is 46 minus Do you know the answer? I think you might have solved it now. Now I'm gonna solve it. So 6 minus 5 equals 1. So I'll write a 1 here. And then 4 minus 3 equals 1. So I write a 1 over here. So the correct answer for 46 minus 35 is 11. So what is 567 minus 328? Do you remember that I told you to align the digits in the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds? Do you know the answer for 567 minus 328? I think you may have solved it right now. So now I'm gonna solve it. So 7 minus 8. We can't do 7 minus 8 because 8 is bigger than 7. So we will cross out the 6, make it into a 5. Then we add a 1 here, which makes this 17. So 17 minus 8 equals 9. And then 5 minus 2 equals 3. So now let's do the hundreds column. 5 minus 3 equals 2. So we write a 2 here. So 567 minus 328 equals 239. I hope you got it correct. Bye. Thank you for watching.